giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby.
Give me 3 tips to shooting in full sunlight, like right now.
3 tips for shooting in sunlight. 1, take the modifier off your flash because you're going to kill about 2 stops of light. Take it off, go bare bulb. 3, don't be scared to shoot down at f8 or f11. You're really going to help control the highlights. And 4, I missed a number. 3, grow neutral density filters. This is going to help kill all those hot spots and help overpower the sun. Drop it in.
Let's see how you do it.
And we see how we do it. All right, Naomi. Climb the mountain! I'm joking. Keep that energy, that's great. Roll with it, turn your face down. Roll that left shoulder around to me. Perfect. Point that right foot out towards me more. The right foot towards me. Beautiful.
So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
oh. 3 minutes. We're going to start the timer. You have 3 minutes to get your gear. So you're going to actually set your gear down for a second.
Over there.
Over there on the other.
Give me your best.
All right. Up first. John goes from San Diego. He gets 3 minutes. Sure. I'm liking the light.
Okay, shut your eyes and then we'll open. Do 7.
I think 7. Number 9.
It was a really hard choice. So many of them were so beautiful. Like, honestly, it just came down to like the coloring, the lighting, because all the pictures were amazing. Like, we actually had a heated debate, so just know you guys are all winners in our eyes because they were all beautiful.
That's why you're sweating.
Yes, that's why I'm sweating.
So I want to give a big congratulations to number 6, but you did not win. Because number 9, Caitlin gets $2 in the quarters. Congratulations, Caitlin.
You get to wear the cape of glory. The cape of glory. There we go. All right, here we go. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go.